Infrastructure and human resources are two important components for any institution, and particularly for educational institutions. Let me share, for me as a Vice Chancellor, it is a proud moment that we have a very strong faculty in terms of human resources. But what we need is infrastructure as well. This building has been constructed with the resources of Karachi University in order to facilitate our students who are engaged in one of the major discipline of sciences or engineering, that is called chemical engineering. Being a layman, I believe that chemical engineering has a very important role in the industrial development of any nation, and particularly for Pakistan, where we are facing economic problems. There is a need to have industrial development, and I believe that our engineers, the doctors, they are going to contribute in the development of Pakistan. And I have a very high hope from my young generation. Yes, and praise my words to Professor Dr. Hashmat Lodi, the Vice Chancellor, NED University, for considering this department as a sister department of NED University. He has made a lot of contribution for the progress and contribution. And we seek to have a much broader understanding with other universities as well, and particularly with our neighboring university, that is the NED University of Pakistan, as Hashmat Lodi mentioned about it. And I think those departments and faculties can make a progress if there is a teamwork. Financial matters. So my best regard to the Sindh government for helping universities in terms of educational discourse, in terms of research, and in terms of other activities as well. And we hope to see a much better relationship with the government of Sindh as well. My humble request, generally I don't demand from our chief guest, but my humble request to our chief guest is the University of Karachi has a serious transportation problem. We have around 42,500 students to cater, and we have a limited transportation facility. So I request the Honorable Minister to help the University of Karachi in providing transport facility to our faculty and to our students. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your hearing. Thank you.